Bhagavan Adishankar. When we go to this kind of Vedanta class, first Bhaja Govindam, next Tattva Bodh. Tattva Bodh itself, they feel very difficult, choking. Tattva Bodh itself, sleepy. Then they finish Tattva Bodh, Atma Bodh, ayyo. At least Tattva Bodh, we have so little varieties of thoughts. Getting what is Atma? Atma only knows what is Atma. Then you tell me next one. The question, the student asks the same question in Vivekashramani also. Some kinds of varieties of thoughts are there. Go to Atma Bodha, only Atma. So many examples. He tries to bring to Atma. But Atma only, I understand all examples except Atma. Atma Bodham style. Those who study Atma Bodham, for at least Bhaja Govindam, you start Bhaja Govindam, 50 people. Tattva Bodham 30, Atma Bodham 10. Are you getting it? Then you start Drik Drishya, only Drik will be there, Drishya will not be there. If you go a little deeper and deeper, dropping. Are you getting it? After that, only teacher will be there. Message. Please come to class. Please come. When you send the message, they will not see that. Why? If they see, the blue tick will be there. Don't touch. Oh, don't open it. You are pulling out the class. How difficult, because particularly, don't open it. It is coming from teacher. Because when you see that, they will ask, they will call. You have seen why you didn't reply. See how difficult this topic is, Vedanta. Gurudev brought very nicely, very, very easily. Gurudev studied first text is Panchadashi. That too from Tapan Maharaj. Oh, you. Text itself very high. Teacher, high.